problem. The shaded part in the given figure is covered with a grass bed. Means this is the shaded part, green one. If the cost if it costs rupees 48 to cover an area of 2 square centimeter. Here centimeter square means square centimeter. So it costs 48 rupees to cover an area of 2 square centimeter. Then find the total cost of the grass bed. Means what is the total cost of this? For this, first what you have to do is find out the area of this green shaded area, green shaded portion only. For finding the green shaded portion, what is the best way? We have done it in our earlier problem. Find the area of ABCD first, then find the area of PQRS, then just subtract it. Let's solve it. Let's find out first the area of ABCD. ABCD is the rectangle. So the area of rectangle is 22 into 18. So 22 multiplied by 18, that is 396. See here, you do these multiplications yourself. Practice it yourself. I have covered this in my earlier videos. That's why I am not going into details of this. But the multiplication methods are shown. So multiplication of ABCD, you get the area of 396 square centimeters. Now let's find the area of PQRS. PQRS is 12 into 10. So 12 multiplied 10, 120. Now we want it only of green. So we'll have to subtract this PQRS. So required equals to 396 minus 120. So it comes out to be 276 square centimeter. Now what is given in the problem? For 2 square centimeter the cost is rupees 48. Now for 2 square centimeters 48. So for 1 square centimeter how much it will be? If I ask you for 2 mangoes it costs rupees 10. So what is the cost of 1 mango? 10 divided by 2. Similarly over here 48 divided by 2. So for 1 square centimeter it is 48 upon 2, 24. Now what have we got? For 1 square centimeter it costs rupees 24. But what is the required area? 276. So what is the cost of 276 square centimeter? Again the same logic. Suppose cost of 1 mango equals to 24. Then what is the cost of 276 mangoes? 276 multiplied 24. Cost of 1 mango is 24. What is the cost of 5 mangoes? 24 multiply 5. So 24 multiply 276. So for 276 square meter, 276 into 24. The answer is 6624. Do this multiplication yourself.